If you have a cell phone service and an internet connection, you can make money. Want to know how? Well, you have to stick around to see how. Hey YouTubers, welcome to my channel, Affiliates Den. This is Danish. Assalamu alaikum. Before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you can smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I release my new video. And if you are tired of $5, $10 earning from apps and these recording websites and testing websites, and you want to make some real-time money, become an online entrepreneur, then please do check out the first link in the description of this video. You will not regret it. As for this video, what I was talking about, how can you make money from simple internet connection and a cell phone? Well, cell phone with a service that, of course, why would you keep a cell phone without the cell service? That's just plain, flat out stupid, but I said it anyway, and you guys love me, so I'm sure you're gonna ignore that. The website, of course. Well, it's not exactly a website that I'm referring to. It's an app. It's called Mobile SMS Profit App. And all you need to do to make money, to start making money rather, is, here are the steps, Step number 1, download the app. Simple, you can do that. Register and launch. Connect to the internet. Keep the app running in the background and start receiving SMS. These are random test SMS. That companies from all over the world, they just want to test their push notifications. So before they launch their push notifications from their servers, they hire companies like this one, and they basically ask these companies to send out these tests SMS to people who are volunteers in receiving SMS, people like you and me, and they pay them for this service, this volunteer work. Yes, that's pretty much it. So when you receive test SMS with random letters and things that do not make any sense, some links with the special characters, do not respond to them. Do not try to edit them, or just ignore them until you get paid and simply delete them. That's all you need to do. Simple as that. Now, if you go further down, these are some sample images, and that's how it will look from in your SMS folder. Whenever you check your SMS, this is how you're gonna see the SMS from these companies. And you can register two different numbers. You can register 2 SIMs, and that is not a problem. In fact, you can register multiple numbers with this company, and you can get paid for each and every one of them. Now, how do we get paid? Basically, primarily they pay through PayPal, but they have other options for people who are living in parts of the world where PayPal doesn't operate. And I'm just gonna show you. Whoop, no, not here. Okay. Yes, payment options. Well, what method do you support? Currently, we support the following systems: PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. Please note that you cannot transfer the money to your mobile phone, credit card, bank account. Okay, understandable. Now, if you don't have PayPal, you can get paid in Ethereum and Litecoin. All you need to do is create a e-wallet on myetherwallet.com. myetherwallet.com. It's easy. There's no, just ask for some couple of questions and you can just create an account over there and they'll give you the details. There's no technicality to it. And they give you an address, a wallet address. You share the address with these guys and they can transfer the amount whenever you have sufficient balance. Now that is something that I was not able to find out on this website, that how much balance do you need to get the amount transferred, but it does say that we transfer the amount within 24 hours after you receive the payment, the SMS, and that just tells me that they don't really have a cap on how much you're supposed to have in your balance to get the money transferred to your e-wallet. Now, I was not able to find a Facebook page. I looked for it, but there were just people who are supporting it, but there is no official Facebook page for this app. And that's because when I went to the Google Play Store, it has mentioned in its Google account name that it's a demo. So they just started out. They're pretty much brand new, and I can see many, few comments are here, and most of them are pretty good. There is one skeptic who doesn't want to share cell number with an unknown company. I can understand that, but mostly reviews are good. And this one guy over here, I think he accidentally gave the app a 1 star, where he definitely wanted to give more because it's nothing but admiration in the comment. So that's pretty much it, guys, and don't worry, they have mentioned in their website that they keep the privacy. They do not use the SMS to hack your cell phone, and don't try to retrieve sensitive information from your accounts. And they just said, they have mentioned it by themselves, that random, letters and numbers. Besides the random letters and numbers, the content can include anything, including links. Please ignore completely all our test SMS and do not reply to any one of them. We send SMS only in order to check if they have been delivered to your phone, and if so, in what form. Our test messages get forwarded to our servers after you receive them automatically. Once your balance is updated, please feel free to delete the messages. Well, there's also a question about, can I get a better price receiving for each SMS, and you please contact us for special condition and promotions. And one SMS can be from 1 cent to 6 cents, and they send out multiple SMS in a day, so it's pretty cool. Why do you pay money for receiving? The reason is that this question is good. The reason is that a lot of SMS providers and mobile network operators need to send SMS test messages to foreign countries to verify and ensure proper delivery of their SMS routes. You actually get paid because we use for a phone number to provide such testing services. Okay, how can I increase the amount of test? Keep the app running. Simple. Can you read my private messages? Okay, yeah, this is the one I was looking for. No, we are not forwarding any information about your private message to our servers. The app only sends the message to our server, which contains our unique test ID that our system creates. For more information, please read our privacy policy. So it's all good. I've read the policy, and they're not hacking, they're not stealing any sensitive information from your cell phone or your SMS. So you're all good. Okay, now for people who are using, I forgot to mention that this app is only for Android, but there is a way that iPhone users can also avail this service, and it's a neat trick. All you gotta do is, if you have a Google account, or if you don't, just get one and go over to Google Voice. It's like Skype number, only this is with Google. You can get a number from here, register this number with the app, and you're good to go. It doesn't matter if you have Android or iPhone. So this should not stop you from making money from this app. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Please hit the like button and leave comments. Share your experience, how you did with this. Okay, take care. Bye bye.